Everything that used to be electronic devices is now a bionic living organism that evolved from nature and our previous waste. As you know, nowadays we know them as a blob, bionic large objects. Several big companies now specify in the development and research of bionic species. A blob consists of thousands of individual spores that connect to one another. They can change their shape and color. They carry most abilities of our previous electronic devices, but they are all an organic intelligence. Human society evolves around nature and a sustainable life side by side. Once the natural overtook the technological, the environment and biodiversity are thriving worldwide. Companies now profit from the variety of new possibilities in developing the sustainable bionic organisms, but they also face two different kinds of challenges. The organisms are not bound to any physical direction and carry all data. Companies both need to secure the safety of their bionic organisms as well as the anonymity of the data they carry. As they are also living and capable of feeling, they need attention and human care. If they die, all data and connection is lost. At a very young age, every human gets a personal giver. They will now form a connection through the human's DNA. They guarantee unconditional connectivity. Because of the DNA connection, both share a very deep and intimate relationship. If the organism is not treated correctly, it will die. The constant attachment and engagement between human and the organism often results in strong dependency and even addiction. In the unexpected case of a blob's death, this can result in a deep depression and even death of a human. You see, once a blob dies, most of it can be placed back in nature, where it nourishes the soil. Part of it still carries electronic substances that has to be removed. This is then taken to a greenhouse facility that takes care of bionic waste management. The bionic matter will be inserted into small plants that are able to fully digest the substances. It transforms them into a component that is edible for humans. It's our family's tradition to honor their lost family member. The end of its life results in sustaining a healthy environment and nourishes humans. Now you see how the circle of new life begins again. So we welcome you into our family.